Hello everyone. So I went to Five Below for the first time and did a little haul that wasn't really organizing related, more health and productivity. So I'm gonna do that in a separate video. But for this one, I'm going to do TJ Maxx. Now, a little background info. I am currently organizing a school friend's home. I'm just gonna show you what I got for her. This is all gonna be the TJ Maxx items. So she needed some makeup organizing, and I'm gonna throw in the prices too. So I do like to do discount shopping for a lot of organizing supplies, really, because you can get the same quality for so much less, even compared to what you pay on Amazon. And the dollar store even has some good stuff too for organizing. I'm looking at this dog because he ate some stuffing and threw up. So I'm just monitoring him. Okay. So first item is a makeup organizer. So she needs a brush holder, and I plan to use the two side slots for beauty blenders or possibly small little containers of individual eye shadow, or I don't know, we'll see. You can also use this to store a hair dryer. So the large slot, you can put your hair dryer kind of upside down with the nozzle in the large slot, and then you could do hair brushes or combs, perhaps hair clips. So yeah, don't feel like you're locked into just one way of using these items. $5.99. The next thing I got for her, also from TJ Maxx. Some of this might have gotten mixed in with Home Goods, so I'm gonna say TJ Maxx just to be sure. Kind of thinking out loud. So I got her this riser for her spices, for spice organizing. Actually, no, this is for the tin cans. So as you can see, this is a little bit wider than your average spice jar. So she has a ton of canned foods. And so I'm going to put them on these risers so she can see the labels better. And I got two of these for, well, each they were $5.99. I believe this is like $15 for one on Amazon or something like that. Bed Bath & Beyond, maybe more. But yeah. And I love the mesh because it kind of is, like, it blends in with whatever your cabinet or your pantry decor looks like. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty much invisible, blending with the cans and all that. So yeah, two of those on it. Okay, next TJ Maxx item. I got her this 5-pack of stackable bins. It was on clearance for $5, which is pretty good for these types of bins. So for her bathroom vanity, she kind of has things just kind of all over the place. And she expressed the desire to be able to take her everyday get ready essentials out and put them, keep the vanity clear possibly, and take her everyday essentials out, use them, put them back in a caddy or container, and then put them under the sink. So if that's what she wants to do, she is committed to taking it out, putting it back every day. And even if she doesn't, it's gonna stay neat as long as she keeps her things in the container. So instead of one big caddy, I got her these containers because you can even break things down even more to her daily facial cleanser, moisturizer, toner, whatever, in one container. And then let's say she has like a once a weekly facial treatment, or like a once a weekly facial routine she likes to do on the weekends. Put that in another container. When she's ready to do it, pull it out, set it on the vanity, get to it. Things that she uses less frequently can go in another container. Basically, you can break it down and organize it like that. So I got this over the door hook. I love it because it's in rose gold. It's $4.99. Right now, I think so there is a particular towel organizer that goes over the door that I want because my bathroom space is very limited. And the fixtures are kind of old. I might just entirely replace my shower rod. But that's another thing for the other day. Basically, I need towel storage. Right now I have my towels in another room. For this, this is only gonna be for like 1 or 2 towels or whatever, and I'll just, yeah, I think I'm gonna just drape them over, or maybe I can roll some smaller towels and hold them, put them in the hooks. No, horizontally. That's the word I'm looking for. I almost said latitudinally. That's what goes on in my mind. You better not be chewing. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna play around with this and store my towel. At least like 1 or 2 towels I can kind of store until I order the one that I really want that stores several towels behind the door. That'll be so dry. Pardon my dry lips. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna use this for, and then I'm gonna switch it to my closet door and probably keep robes or something on the hooks there. So I got this. It's so pretty. It's rose gold. It was $5, and that is pretty much what that is. So I was looking for something to keep my mail. So I have what I call a go station, which is just like a station where you keep all your essentials right by the door for when you come and when you go. You set your keys there. You might have like your work bag. My work bag is there. I'm doing one for me and Theo. Theo and I are sharing one, and it is extremely cluttered right now. Oh, Theo and I are sharing. Do you see how this these magnetic lashes work? It popped off, and I just placed it right back. No reapplying, no nothing. It might pop up again because this is the end of the day. But Opulence MD if you want these lashes in the metallic liner. Okay, so Theo and I are sharing a go station. It's just a shelf, a utility type shelf that I put together. I got it at Walmart. The go station's very cluttered, mostly with Theo's things. He's looking at me now because he knows I'm talking about him. I got a smaller one for Theo, and I'm gonna put his things on that go station. Or it's all gonna be a go station, but with let's call it 2 separate towers, 2 different shelves. One for me and one for him. I'm also gonna probably put our calendar above the shelves and a whiteboard, just so I can remember like appointments and things that I don't want to forget before leaving the house. I just, yeah, thought I misplaced my phone, but I have it here. Yeah, so that's gonna be like the command center. So if you're on Pinterest or you know of some organizers who do command centers, or just like regular people, a lot of moms use the family command center with the bulletin board and the keys, and they might pack the lunches and set them out there in the morning for the kids to grab. I call that a go station if it's by the door. Mine is by the door, and I'm building one for me and Theo. That's going to be another video that I'm probably going to do tonight. Theo getting sick and vomiting kind of like put a halt to my plans of recording. But he seems to be doing fine now. Okay, so all that about the go station, I said that to introduce my mail holder. I wanted something that wasn't too expensive. I wanted something that was nice and kind of blingy, metallic-y. Unfortunately, so when you're looking at it from above, which is how, because most people are taller than the shelf, how are you going to be looking at it? This is what you see. It's this nice gold finish, copper finish, I guess. But it's actually white on the outside. And I really didn't want something that was white. I really wanted it more for the gold color. But fortunately, that's the part that's mostly visible from the regular everyday angle. So this is going to be my mail holder. And maybe I'll do a mail sorter on the wall. I don't know. We'll see how things go. I'm really going to try to stay on top of shredding my mail. If it's something that goes in my files, putting it in the files. But we can do a video on that some other time, because that is a huge thing that I find among my clients people struggle with. I had some mail accumulate, so that's why I got this. Yes. Okay. Is that it? No, there's one more thing. I got the shelving for Theo's Go Station, but I'm gonna show that in, oh, I'm sorry, the price. This mail sorter mail holder thing I'm gonna use it for was $4.99. In other stores I've seen similar for like $12.99. So anyway, I'm gonna show you Theo's Go Station shelving. Really, you hang it on the wall, but I'm just gonna put it on the floor. If Theo starts getting into the things a little bit too much, then I may mount it onto the wall. It's very lightweight, so maybe well, yeah, it depends on how much stuff I'm gonna put on it. I was gonna say I might do like some command hooks to try to mount it or something, like no hardware. I don't like getting into all the drilling into the walls and all that stuff, just personal preference for effort reasons. It takes too much effort. And plus, I don't own a drill. I don't know how to use a drill. Whatever. Anyway, that's the final object from TJ Maxx, the final item that I picked up. I looked at Home Goods for for something similar. They had some nice things, but they cost way more. So it's $24.99, and I'll just insert footage of it right here. This is the shelf I'm using for Theo's Go Station. It's got 3 shelves. I liked it because it was wire and kind of lightweight and not very cumbersome from the standpoint of furniture. And it was $24.99. So if I don't like it, I can use it for something else and get another shelf type thing for him. So that is it for this TJ Maxx haul. I'm gonna be doing more hauls. I'm always shopping for organizing products. So if you like videos like these, let me know in the comments. If you want to know more about the stuff that I've got or uses for these items, let me know in the comments. If you want to say hey, do so in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized. I will see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, take care and be well. See you soon. Bye now.